be breaking down the buying process with step number 1. Hi, I'm Susie Realtor, and I'm here to help you accomplish your home buying goals. Buyer breakdown step number 1 is to schedule a consultation with your trusted realtor, aka me if you're in the area. A consultation is where we will discuss what type of home best suits your needs. I'll ask you questions like, how long have you been looking for a new home? What areas and what neighborhoods are you interested in? What is your plan B if we simply can't find that home that you have imagined? What are some of the absolute must-haves in your new home? And what are some of the deal breaker items that you said, no, thank you? This will help us both get a better idea of your overall goals and also see if you and I are a good fit to work together, a good fit to become BFFs during your home search. Follow me for additional videos and steps for home buying and selling, as well as current market updates. Also find my 60-second home buying process video where you get the whole enchilada in under a minute right here.